Hey there. Today we're going to talk about how to leave a community group on WhatsApp Web on your PC with the new update. It's easy to do, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for the community icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to access your communities. Next, find the community that you want to leave. Click on the community's name to see its information. Once you're on the community's page, find the Exit Community option and click on it. Confirm that you want to leave the community by clicking Exit. After you've left the community, you'll see the groups that belong to that community in your Chats tab. Open the group that you want to leave and click on its name to open the group info. Once you're in the group info, find the Exit Group option and click on it. Confirm that you want to leave the group by clicking Exit. And that's it. You've successfully left a community group on WhatsApp Web on your PC. It's a quick and easy process that will help you declutter your chats and stay organized. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.